Are you tired of hearing the same old ideas about making money online? Today, I'm bringing you 5 brand new ways to earn cash from the comfort of your home. This method are creative, fun. The digital world is full of untapped potential. Whether you want to escape the 9 to 5 or just make some extra cash, this idea could be your gateway to financial freedom. Number 1 is becoming an online juror. Did you know you can get paid to be an online juror? Law firms and attorneys often use online focus group and mock trials to test their cases before going to court. They pay participants to review evidence and provide feedback. Websites like eJury or online verdicts let you sign up and participate in those mock trials. A simple way to make money by just giving your opinion. No legal experience is needed, just your honest feedback on the case presented. 2. If you have an extra room or garage or even just some storage space you are not using, you can rent it out for cash. People are always looking for extra space to store belongings or even run small businesses. You can use platforms like neighbor.com to list your available space. Renters will pay you to store their items, and it's a great way to make passive income with little effort. Number 3 is to review websites and apps for cash. Companies need feedbacks on their website and apps to improve users' experience. You can get paid to test and review them. Here is how it works. Sign up on websites like UserTesting or Try My UR, where you will be given tasks to complete on a website or app. You need to record your screen and provide feedback while navigating through the platform. It's a great way to make quick money from home. Number 4 is get paid to name companies and products. Businesses are constantly looking for creative names for their brands and products. If you have a knack for clever names, you can turn that skill into cash by participating in naming contests. That's how it works. Platforms like Squadhelp and Naming Force host naming competitions where you can submit your ideas for company names, product names, or even domain names. If your name gets chosen, you earn a prize. Number 5 is becoming an online researcher. If you enjoy digging into information and conducting research, there's a demand for online researchers. Businesses and individuals hire researchers to find answers to specific questions, gather data, or create reports. Here is how it works. Websites like Wonder or Ask Wonder allow you to sign up and work on research projects. You'll be given questions to answer, and you get paid for providing thorough, accurate research. It's perfect for anyone who loves learning and solving problems. Whether it's getting paid to name a business, renting out your extra space, or testing websites, there is always something here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is finding a method that suits your skills and sticking with it. If you're ready to try one of this method, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on which idea excites you the most. And always check the link in the description to get started. Thank you for joining me.